mean, you were kind of being an ass too.
I wasn't doing anything.
I mean, you were speeding around people. It's okay though. You have a good day, okay? You have a nice car too. I like it. You were being an ass for no reason. What about you, merging with no blinker, buddy? Aw, poor guy. Aw. Zoop.